Okay, let us start with PSM theory. Okay, I want to take your PSM theory. And uh, in the last class, we discussed about fats. Then we also discussed about the sources of fats. Then carbohydrates, right? Carbohydrates, then its sources. Then we studied about vitamins. Then vitamin A, we have written till functions and sources, but deficiency is still left. So, hmm, who is there? Sakani is present. Sakani Davia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Please read out
Yes,
the.
ma'am.
Please read out carbohydrates. Some of you turn on your
Carbohydrates.
videos. Hmm.
The third middle which component of food is carbohydrate, which is the main source of energy, providing 4 kilocalories per gram. There are three main sources of carbohydrate: sugar, starchy, cellulose. Starchy
Starch,
is a
no
basic
starchy.
to
It's
human
starch.
diet.
Starch.
It
S
is
T
found
A R
in a
C H.
cereal.
Starch.
Starch is basic to human diet. It is found in cereals, roots, and tubers. Sugar comprises mono, monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, and galactose, and this
Disaccharides.
disaccharides, sucrose, lactose, and maltose. These free sugars are highly water soluble and easily assimilated. Source of carbohydrate. Number A, dairy, milk, ice cream, young heart. Number B, fruit, whole fruit, dates, apple, banana, strawberry. Number C, grains, bread, rice, cereals. Number D, le- legume,
Legume.
beans. Number C, starchy vegetables, potatoes. Pardon, ma'am?
No, no, you read, you read. Legumes, I said.
Okay, ma'am. Number F, sugars, chocolate, cookies, candies, dessert, sugarcane, and dates. Number G, nuts, almond, peanut, walnut, cashew nuts. Number H, seeds, pumpkin seed. Vitamins. Vitamins are a class of organic compound categorized essential nutrient. Vitamin K micro
Okay, wait. For vitamins, I'll ask somebody else to read,
they
okay?
are required.
Sakani, you wait, huh? I will just ask somebody else to read the
Okay, ma'am.
vitamins. Okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sachi can read out. Sachi phobia. You can read out the vitamins part. Sachi,
Yes, ma'am.
you read out the vitamins part.
Vitamins. Vitamins are a class of organic compounds categorized as essential nutrients. They are required by the body in very small amount. Vitamins are divided into two groups. A. Fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K. B.
Mm.
Water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and C. Vitamins A function. First point, it is indispensable for normal vision. Second point, it contributes to the production of retinal pigment which are needed in vision in dim light. Third point, it supports especially skeletal growth. Fourth point, it may protect against some cancers such as bronchial cancers.
Bronchial cancer.
Source of
Bronchial.
vitamins A. Vitamin A is sources of vitamin A. Vitamin A is widely distributed in animal and plant food, egg, butter, cheese, liver, whole milk, fish and meat. Fish liver oil is the richest neutral source of retina. Plant food. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, dark green leafy vegetables. Some green and yellow fruit and vegetables, papaya, mango, pumpkin, and some roots like carrot. Fortified. For food fortified by vitamin A, vanaspati, milk, etc.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay, so this was all about your vitamins, vitamin A functions and sources, right? So now you write down the deficiency of vitamin A. What can be the deficiency of vitamin A be like? Okay, write down the deficiency of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A, write down. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to deficiency of vitamin A leads to LADS. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to deficiency of vitamin A leads to number A, write down Bitots spot. Bitots, B capital, BITOT apostrophe S. BITOT apostrophe S. Bitots spot, SPOT spot. Bitots spot. Put a dash and write down Bitots spot are triangular. Hmm? Key what?
Without spelling.
Bitots. 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 Bitot. Capital BITOT apostrophe S. Bitot spot. Bitot spot are triangular. TRIANGULAR. Triangular, comma, pearly white. Pearly, pearl. PEARLY. Pearly white. WHITE. Pearly white. PEARLY. Pearly white. White, white or yellowish YELLOWISH or yellowish, comma, foamy spots, foamy FOAMY, just like a foam, okay, foamy FOAMY, foamy spots, SPOTS, spots on the on the bulbar conjunctiva, on the bulbar conjunctiva, CONJUNCTIVA, conjunctiva on either side of the cornea, on either side of the cornea, CORNEA, on either side of the cornea. Okay, so this thing will appear in your eyes, okay, in your cornea. There will be it will be triangular in shape, okay. These spots, these spots will be in triangular shape, okay, and the color will be something yellowish, and it will look like a pearly white or sometimes yellowish. Wait, I will show you the picture. Once when you see the picture, it will be clear to you. Ek minute, wait for 1 second. Wait. एक मिनट, हाँ, 1 minute. Okay. Are you able to see the screen? You just see to. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, so this is the betot spot. Okay, I just showed you the picture. I just showed you the pictures. Can you see this? These are the betot spot. Okay, it will be pearly white and it will be foamy. Foamy means what? Like a foam. Whenever you put surf in water and when you just splash the water, what it becomes? It becomes like a foam. So that foam formation will be there in the cornea. Okay, so this is also one of the deficiency that is caused by vitamin A. Okay, so this is known as Bitot's spot. Okay, and without a surgical treatment this cannot be cured. Okay, it needs a surgery for this Bitot spot. Okay. Number 2 likha. Number B you write down night blindness. Night blindness. NIGHT, night blindness. Put a dash and write down inability to see in dim light. Inability to see in dim light. Okay, night blindness, it especially occurs at night time. Okay, and it is one of the deficiencies of vitamin A that causes lack or inability to see at dim light. Okay, the visual won't be clear for the person who is suffering from night blindness. Number C you write down conjunctival xerosis. Conjunctival, CONJUNCTIVAL, conjunctival xerosis, ZEROSIS, conjunctival xerosis, CONJUNCTIVAL, conjunctival xerosis, ZEROSIS, conjunctival xerosis. Put a dash and write down the conjunctiva becomes dry and non-wettable. The conjunctiva becomes dry, DRY. The conjunctiva becomes dry, DRY, and non-wettable. And non-wettable, NON, non-wettable. WETTABLE. WETTABLE, non-wettable, full stop. Instead of looking smooth and shiny, comma, it appears muddy and wrinkled. It appears muddy and wrinkled. Okay, so a normal person will have smooth and shiny, okay, conjunctiva, but whenever this deficiency occurs, what happens? It will look its appearance will be muddy. Muddy means maybe brownish type of coloration. Okay, muddy, and it will be wrinkled kind of. Plus what happens? It looks dry. Amar means for us, normally it is wet. Okay, it's shiny and it is wet. Our conjunctiva is wet and shiny. But whenever a person suffers from conjunctival xerosis, the conjunctiva will appear dry, pura dry, and it will be non-wettable. Okay, and also it appears muddy and wrinkled. So this is also one of the deficiency that is caused by vitamin A. Okay. E, no? What number is this, Sakani? E or what?
CD.
D, okay.
This is
Write down number D. Corneal xerosis. Corneal xerosis. Corneal. C-O-R-N-E-A-L. Corneal xerosis. Z-E-R-O-S-I-S. Corneal xerosis means what? It will affect your cornea. Okay. Corneal xerosis. Put a dash and write down. This stage is particularly serious. This stage is particularly serious. This stage is particularly serious. Full stop. This stage is particularly serious. Full stop. The cornea appears dull. The cornea, C-O-R-N-E-A. The cornea appears dull. D-U-L-L, dull. The cornea appears dull, comma, dry, D-R-Y, dry, and non-wettable. And non-wettable. N-O-N, non-wettable. W-E-T-T-A-B-L-E, non-wettable. And eventually opaque. And eventually opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. Full stop. It does not have a moist appearance. It doesn't have a moist appearance. Your cornea should be moist, okay? But here in this deficiency, what happens? The cornea will appear dull, okay? It will appear dry and also non-wettable. Plus, it will also not have a moist appearance, okay? And this stage is particularly serious, which I've already mentioned. Okay.
Ma'am, it doesn't.
What? Huh? It does not have a
doesn't.
moist appearance. Moist. M-O-I-S-T, moist. It does not have a moist appearance. It doesn't have a moist appearance. M-O-I-S-T, moist appearance. Okay. Moist means what? It should be wet. Okay, but it's not wet, but it is dry. Okay, it is dull, dry, and non-wettable. And cornea is what? Cornea is the... What is a cornea? Nobody knows cornea. Where is the cornea?
Which we have.
Huh?
Which we have in the eye.
Which we have in the eye. Write a note. Write a note and write down cornea. C-O-R-N-E-A. Write down cornea is the... See, during exam, no need to write, okay, the meaning of cornea. But if I ask you to write, then you can write. Otherwise, no need. Cornea is the transparent. Cornea is the transparent. Cornea is the transparent part of the eye. Cornea is the transparent part of the eye that covers your iris, I-R-I-S, iris, comma, pupils and the anterior chamber. So this is a transparent covering, okay, that covers your iris, pupils and the anterior chamber. Okay, it is just a transparent covering, like a covering, but very much transparent. Okay. Next, you write down number.
Ma'am, after iris.
Iris, pupils, P-U-P-I-L-S, pupils. Iris, pupils, and the anterior chamber. See all this iris, pupils, cornea. If you want, Okay, you can just see in your Google also. If you see the pictures, it will be more clear to you. Okay, my net is not so good to show you in Google. So you all also take the pain and you just see in Google. By seeing the pictures, it will be more clear. More than the notes, sometimes pictures and diagrams are more good. Okay, so try to see. Number E, write down number E. Keratomalacia. 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 Put a dash and write. The cornea may become soft. The cornea may become soft. The cornea may become soft. SOFT, soft. And may burst open. And may burst open. OPN. And may burst open. Full stop. Full stop. The process is a rapid one. The process is a rapid one. RAPID. The process is a rapid one. Full stop. If the eye collapses, if the eye collapses, COLLAPSES, if the eye collapses, comma, vision is lost. If the eye collapses, vision is lost. So in keratomalacia, okay, what happens? The cornea, as the cornea is very soft, you already know that cornea is the transparent part of the eye. So if this thing should be very soft, and it is very soft. Okay, so once it is burst open, what happens? It might even lead to loss of vision by the person. Okay, so these are some of the deficiencies of vitamin A. Okay, Bitot spot, night blindness, conjunctival xerosis, then corneal xerosis, keratomalacia. So these are some of the deficiency of the eye, especially of the eye, that is caused by vitamin A. Next, you write vitamin D. Write down vitamin D. Number 2, write down vitamin D. Vitamin A is complete. Okay, vitamin D you write down. Vitamin D. Write down functions. Vitamin D, then you write functions. FUNCTIONS, functions. Put a dash and write down. Underline it, okay? Then put a dash and write. Permits normal growth. It permits normal growth. It permits normal growth. NORML. It permits normal growth. GROWTH. It permits normal growth. Number 2, you write down. It promotes intestinal absorption. It promotes intestinal. You have intestines, right? Small intestine and large intestine. So it promotes intestinal absorption. ABSORPTION, intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus. PHOS, phosphorus. So these are the two functions of vitamin D. Okay, it permits normal growth and it also helps in intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus. So these are the two main functions of vitamin D. Next, you write down the sources. Sources. Anybody knows the sources of vitamin D? Any idea? Vitamin D. From where do you get vitamin D?
Sunlight.
Huh?
Ma'am, sunlight.
Yes, very good. Sunlight. Okay. Write down sources. Vitamin D is unique because vitamin D is unique because UNIQUE. Vitamin D is unique because it is derived both from both from sunlight and food. Vitamin D is unique because it is derived both from sunlight and food. Both from sunlight and food. FOOD, food. Full stop. Next number, right, number A, sunlight. Number A लिखा, sunlight, 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 sunlight. Then you write vitamin, put a dash and write vitamin D is synthesized by the body. Vitamin D is synthesized by the body. Vitamin D is synthesized by the body by the action of UV rays. By the action of UV rays, ultraviolet rays, okay? By the action of UV rays of sunlight. By the action of UV rays of sunlight. UV rays of sunlight. UV rays of sunlight by by 7. Write down 7. Write down the number 7, okay? Not SEVEN. Write down 7, the appropriate 7 number. Write down 7, put a dash, put a hyphen, 7 dash, dehydrocholy, D small letter, okay? DEHYDROCHOLES, TEROL, dehydrocholesterol, DEHYDROCHOLESTEROL, comma. Write down comma, which is stored in large abundance in the skin. Which is stored in large abundance in the skin. Okay, it is present in your skin in a very large amount. Okay, and the name is 7-dehydrocholesterol. Okay, large abundance in the skin, skin. Next you write number B, foods, FOOD, foods. Write down foods, FOODS, foods. Put a dash and write egg yolk, egg, EGG, egg yolk, YOLK, egg yolk. Which one is the egg yolk? Rohan? Which one?
The white part.
Huh?
Yellow one. Yellow one, ma'am.
Not white, yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, yellow.
Yeah, the yellow one is the yolk, okay? And the white part is the glare, GLARE. Write down egg yolk, comma. Egg yolk, comma. Liver, LIVER, liver. Chicken liver, okay? Liver, comma. Butter and cheese. BUTTER, butter and cheese. Butter and cheese. And some species of fish. And some species of fish, FISH. And some species of fish, comma, fish liver oil, fish liver oil, FISH, fish liver oil. I already explained you that day, okay? Fish liver oil. Fish liver oil is rich in, anybody remembers? Fish liver oil is rich in what? You forgot?
Omega-3, ma'am.
Taoyatiki, what?
Omega-3, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is rich in omega-3 extracted from the oils of fish. Okay, so I even suggested you all to consume it. Okay, it is good for the skin and it is good for your body. Even me too, I have, that's why. Fish liver oil, comma, milk, 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 comma, vanaspati and infant foods. Vanaspati and infant foods. Vanaspati, VANSPATI, Vanaspati and
What?
Vanaspati. Vanaspati and infant foods. Infant foods means it's only for infant, okay? Not for you all. Infant foods, FOODS. What are the infant foods? What are the infant foods?
To those for children only, ma'am.
Like for example, yes, you are correct. For example, yeah, like all those Cerelac, then what? Lactogen, naan, all of these things are infant foods. Okay, so all these are also rich in vitamin D. It contains small proportion of vitamin D. Okay, so these are the sources. Okay, derived from both sunlight and your food, sources of food. Okay, that about the deficiency we will discuss in the next class. So you please give me your attendance later. See, some of your friends are joining now, but it's already over. The class is already over. They are delayed by half an hour, more than half an hour. So please give me your attendance, okay? Mari Deb Burma, she is attending now, so don't write her name. I think she is from section A. Okay, then you all can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, who read the attendance?
Hmm. Who will write the attendance from section A? Your CR is present. Ania and all are present. Na? Ania, you can write down. Taba Ania. Then from section B, Srijana can write down. Okay. Okay. Thank you. You all can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Thank you, ma'am. क्यों? इसका नाम लेते हैं। हाँ।